3D printers and their importance in all classrooms. Laura Larrinaga, EdTech 620, Summer 2017. What is 3D printing? It's a process of making a physical object from a 3D digital model by laying down many thin layers of material in succession. It's also known as additive manufacturing, and this definition was courtesy of Google. 3D printers in Dumont. Our district has 9 3D printers, 3 at Honus School, 3 at Selzer School, and 3 at Dumont High School. They're used by the STEM and business teachers, and both staff and students have responded positively to using these new printers. This video clip that you're about to watch is courtesy of YouTube, and it is the printer that we use in our district. It is the LoseBot Mini. It is an interesting video. It shows how the printer works. In fact, this is a type of printer that makes its own parts. There are many benefits with 3D printers. They manufacture parts quickly and cheaply. It creates inventiveness in education, engages learners, creates responsible digital citizens, makes everything hands-on, creates camaraderie between students and teachers, and solves real-world problems. Here are some examples of how 3D printers can be used in the classroom. They can be used for all subjects, and students create tangible objects that reinforce concepts. For English language arts, characters can be made from a story. For math, manipulatives for numbers and shapes. For science, scale models of cells, the planets, and topography. And for social studies, models of historic monuments. Some potential issues with 3D printing can be as follows: maintaining and adjusting the printer. 3D printing uses up a lot of electricity. Supplying the printer with the plastic filament. Accessing the tech labs where the printers are located. And safety for staff and students. Cost of 3D printing. The average cost of a 3D printer can range from $450 to $3,500. Filament spools can cost between $20 and $50, depending on weight and diameter of the spools. These costs do not include maintenance of the 3D printer. 3D printer training requirements. It's best to learn via workshop with the manufacturer of the printer in case there are any questions. There are tutorial videos that can be viewed online. Also, practicing with the software before doing lessons with the students is very helpful. Our district has some additional support. You have John Link at Honus School, Kerry Scheinbeck at Selzer School, and Jolie Kurtz at Dumont High School. Also, staff can email Elena Zgrizzotti to arrange for more training, and her email address is ezgrizzotti@dumontnj.org. In the next few slides, there is some research from peer-reviewed articles about 3D printing and their benefits and concerns. For example, using computer-aided software and 3D printers to improve spatial visualization. In an article by Petros Katsiolidis and Millie Jones, they discuss how 3D printing can help with visual and spatial relationships. They state, quote, "The evolution of 3D printers has opened many doors to educators. Students have the opportunity to design, build, and test any idea." The article, Every Day, A New 3D Printing Material, by Bill Hughes, Lynn Mona, Jeff Siemens, Steve McAnich, and Heath Stout, researched the applications of 3D printing in their respective classrooms, and they found, quote, "We are now witnessing participation in the next transformative technology." 3D Printing, Exploring Capabilities by Kyle Smith and Jim Flowers experimented with using different materials for the 3D printers and created cloth. And they quote, "This can place the student and instructor on the same side of a problem." The last article discusses concerns with 3D printing, and it's entitled 3D Printing, What's the Harm? It's by Tyler S. Love and Ken Roy. They discuss safety concerns with the plastic. They make some interesting recommendations for schools to ensure student and staff safety, such as well-ventilated rooms and using PLA instead of ABS plastics, and also to keep on top of the latest research with the 3D printers. There's some really good professional organizations that teachers can refer to, such as MakerBot Educator Program, and the web address is www.makerbot.com/educators. Another one is the Association for Supervision and Curriculum Development, and the web address is www.ascd.org in lowercase letters. Then there is the International Society for Technology and Education, and that web address is www.iste.org. Also, teachers can go to their respective subjects associations for more information, such as the National Foundation of Science Teachers or the National Foundation of Teachers of Mathematics. Here are some final thoughts about 3D printers. They are beneficial for students to design, experiment, and explore. Students can visualize and create a product inexpensively. The scope of technology is applicable to all subjects, and be mindful of safety issues and concerns. This page is the bibliography page. It was the resources I referred to when conducting the research for 3D printers. Thank you very much.